Alright, here's how I decided to tackle this. I'm going to cut open this tape, lay this guy down. Yeah. Probably shouldn't be doing this. I'm supposed to be packing up the garage today. I've been making progress on it though. Yeah, this guy's kind of heavy. What is this? 31 kgs? What that says? I don't know. I think that's like a 60-pound rack, 70-pound rack or something. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Remember, I keep telling you on this channel, there are things I know, and there are a whole lot of things I don't know. So, yeah. Let's see. First look. Ugh. Oh. Looky, looky what we have here. I was kind of hoping there wouldn't be like a lot of assembly required or anything. That's that right there. That's a hitch. A 2-bike rack. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. Yeah. Alright. We're going to get into this and see what it's all about. So, let's take this hitch out. Ooh. Nice big. Whew. Nice big honking hitch there. Looks like it goes into the truck. And it looks like we're going to have to bolt this on to the rack. Not sure. We'll see here momentarily. Oh, you know what I should have done? It might be easier to take this rack off and build and assemble it in place. I don't know. We'll see. Let's get rid of some of this. This is all I needed blowing around the neighborhood. All these loose pieces right here. Alright. Going on over here. So this rack retails for 400 and I think like 450 or 475 or something like that. So, you know, I kind of like what I see so far. And straight up, I'll tell you, I think I saw another one just like it under a different name, which is very possible, right? We all know that. Alright, let's just get this guy up and out of here. Plastic. Alright, so we got these little claws here that clamp down on your bike. There's my neighbor interrupting my video because he's got to go mow his lawn. He was here a few minutes ago warning me. Said, Richard, I see you getting the fence put in. You know, my wife, yeah, I know your wife, she's on the board. She's responsible for improvements and changes and stuff. But if anybody says anything it's not us. What are you trying to tell me? You're telling me your wife is on the board, and if I didn't get approval, that somebody says something, it's not going to be you. What are you talking about, dude? It's hard to have a conversation with him, but that's what he said. I said, look, I'm not worried about it. You tell your wife. She can go look up the paperwork. I got my approval over a year ago, just never got it done. So, I'm not worried about Nazi HOA associations. Alright, that's a box I think I can put out with the trash. I'm not going to need it. Alright, get back to this rack. There's a styrofoam hanging off of it. So, is that aluminum? I'm not sure. It's heavy enough that this is, I'm sure, steel. But, I don't know. Let's prop it up over here and get a better look at it. It's kind of heavy, though. As I expected. Kind of a got a combination of metal and either hard plastic or maybe like a nylon material. Not sure. Yeah, I don't know. Not too bad overall. I mean, for what it is, not too bad. The tracks look a little narrow though. Yeah, they look a little narrow. The company asked me. This is how I know it's probably not their product, right? They're just like, hope you buy it, auto parts. They sent me a message and said, hey, could you let us know what size tire fits on that rack? They don't even know. On the description, they have like 3.3 or something. I just discovered after the fact. I didn't think to look that I needed to look to see if it could handle a 4-inch tire, but so they advertised 3.3. But yeah, I'm gonna figure out how to get this installed, and then I'll put a bike on it, because most all my stuff is 4-inch, right? And I hope a 4-inch tire works, because otherwise it's not going to do me or anyone else a whole lot of good. Tape stuck to my shoe. Yeah, anyway, hope you guys go and check this out. I'll leave a link in the description down below so you can see what it's all about, and I will follow up with another review after I get it installed and I figure out how it works, that sort of thing, and I'll let you know what I think about it. Hey, from my noisy neighbor, that's going to be it for this video. I'll see you guys in another video soon.